everybody, welcome back to Hands-On Learning. Still can't see the learning very well, but it's okay. So I'm just cleaning up for my last lesson where we learned about A's with the consonants. So just let me get that cleaned up real quick. Okay, so today we are going to be learning, let's see, E. Not E as in the letter E, but E as in I. It's really weird. They say their I's like E. Like yee! But you don't say I, you're saying E. So where's my, oh, there's my marker. So we got I, because we're going to learn okay, so we got I am. You can write this on a piece of paper if you'd like, so you can remember them. I am, and then SH, K, N, H, R, and then CH. So the first one we're going to learn is I, which is E. It's pronounced as E. And it looks like this. See this right here? Now I'll show you how to draw it. We're going to put one line down, then we're going to make it look a hook. Then we're going to put a curve right here. Now that's probably a little too far. I don't know why I can't get this right. Oh my lordy. There we go. That's better. But you saw what I did there. It's like a little hook and then a line. This is E. You need to remember this because not only is it used for I, but it's used for Y. It's used for Y and W. So you're going to say E for a couple of them. It's going to be the same symbol, which we're not going to go over them because of this. Here, actually we will, but it'll be very short. So we're going to go over that right now. So the Y, you say as E. The W, you say as E. So I-E, W-E, Y-E. I-E, W-E, Y-E. So that's E. You need to remember that one. Now we're going to do me. Now this one's kind of funny because this is totally me. I'm going to put a line up. I'm going to put a line down. I'm going to make a loop-de-loop. It's going to look like this. You want it to look like that. And then you're going to put another line down like this. So imagine a person starts here. That's me. Now imagine a person starts here and then they run. And all the way into the wall. That's totally me. You can remember it as I run into a wall. Me, because I'm clumsy. I don't know if you're clumsy, but I am, so that is totally something I would do if I was not careful. So this is me. This way, this way, this way, and into the wall. Now we're going to go over she. Not she as in a girl, but she is S-H-I. And SHI is as a hook. So it's like a fish, she, hook. Oh. Fishy hook. So fish, and then remember she. Instead of fishy Y, you put the she. It's a hook. Fishy hook. It's a fishy hook. Can't reach. There we go. So I already written it. Really? Sticky stuff. Okay, I've already written it here. This is she. Now we're gonna go to key. And what the hell? Oh, my nail. It's gonna bug me. Oh well. Okay. So key, it's gonna be like a key man. So you're gonna do 2 eyes. Now tikis look weird, and you're gonna do like that. It's like a tiki man. I'm sorry, my nail is bugging me so much right now. 1 second. Okay, back. Okay, I had to edit that part out because I was dealing with my nail. But let's see. What? That's okay. It's about 6 minutes in. I gotta remember that. 6 minutes. That way I know to edit it. Okay. So we're gonna go to key, and this is the key man. The key man. Key. So we do a nose, 2 eyes, and then a little smirk. Tiki. Now we have knee. And knee is done as, now this is where you have to be careful. You can't confuse this with ta or e. So you do another T, just like you would do with ta, and instead of going like this, which that is ta, what you do is wait, what? Oh, see, yeah. Instead of, you don't make a T. Sorry, oh my goodness. You're gonna start remembering. Make a T. No, don't make a T. T is for ta. You're gonna make a line with a little swivel at the end. Like this. Almost kind of like she. And then you're going to put the unfinished A there. That is what we're looking for. That is knee. Now, what did I put for knee? It looks like a flip. I was gonna say flipped in because it has this right here. Has this little part right here. It's a flipped in, and a Japanese 2. Because 2 for Japanese is this. Although they're not the same, so careful when you write it. Also, how you say Japanese 2 is ni. So it's ichi, ni. Ichi's 1, and then ni is 2. So you could also remember that it looks like a 2 with a line next to it. 1, 2, ni. So we're going to go to he. Not he as in a boy, but he as in like he, I laugh at you. So you're going to do one line up like here. You're going to make a U, and then you're going to make another line. So he, I laugh at you. He, I laugh at you. Okay. Re. So we're gonna do re. Looks like a B that is not finished. So we need to redo it. Re. So we're gonna redo. Oops, we need to redo it. Re. This is re. You can't forget that as re, as redo. Re. Okay. Chi. You know, like how chi is like Chinese is like an art form, martial art form almost. So chi is gonna be, you're gonna have to remember this. There's no funny saying, but chi is a weird 5. Weird as in it has this thing right here. So it's basically a 5. It's basically a 5 with a line up and a line sideways. That's chi. Chi is a weird 5. And that is what we have. Thank you, everyone. I hope you found this video as helpful as it does help me making it. And next time we will go over ooh or oh. We say oh, as in like mo, so, ko, no, ho, yo, ro, wo, to, and o. The one after that will be oo, which is the u. But we're doing o next. So stay tuned. Bye. Bye from Hands On Learning.